Great.
Hello guys,
This is Ninja Patterson and
this is Rabbit's Bones. Today we're playing some Halo 3, but we're gonna have a contest. In this contest, we're having a hammer battle.
Gravity Hammer.
Alright, let's meet down in the middle and we'll have ourselves an official battle. Fair and square. Wait.
I don't know about that because
Wait. Stand over there by the flag. And I stand over here by this.
Okay, you stand over here.
Yes.
And I stand over here. Okay.
No, you stand. Oh, okay, stand right here. And
Right
I
here?
stand right here.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Set.
Go. Oh, headshot. Oh god, but I'm about to die. Ooh, you might have needler. You know what I say about your needler?
Don't you dare. There's gonna be a dead rabbit bone, guys.
Oh, Rabbit Bones is.
I mean a dead rabbit bone.
Hey, see, you don't pull up. You don't pull out the gangster pistol out of.
Oh, but that's our friendship. I pull out a weapon, you pull out a weapon. That awesome.
It's a circle. I need to pick up a different weapon. Come on, look. Okay, here. I'm gonna meet you up here. All right?
Yep.
All right. Well, no, you get back up there.
I am up here.
No, get in the middle up there.
I'm still here.
No, I mean as in the middle, as in.
I think you are.
Oh!
Did we knock each other out?
No, I was in the air and I was like, wait. Hello guys, this is Rabbit's Bones and this is Ninja Patterson. I feel like starting the video off right there. Oh, that was an epic video.
Yup.
Oh yeah. So no more hammer battles?
No more hammer battles. We're just going full gun.
Whoa. Well, guess what? You know what I have to say about that?
You're not gonna do it. I can hear our men scream.
Nobody cares.
Going on. Bitch, you scream too.
Wanna venture other
To kill you, I just need one.
God dang it. Stop.
How's that my problem?
Oh, you're good now. Where are you?
Where am I?
I know where you are.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Thrusters.
What the?
No.
Killed yourself.
Oh.
I think
Back off. No, stop.
I'm done.
God dang. See, look. All I have is a hammer.
I have a hammer too. You wanna
Come
say
at
that?
me. You know what I say about that
Crap.
Did you die yet?
No. Do you see me dead?
I don't even see you at all. Crap.
I have a jetpack.
Do you have a jetpack?
Sucky jetpack today.
I literally survived all my thrusters.
I survived nothing but the sheer power of my. I mean, not. I rage quit.
Oh god, come on, no, you got this. Yeah, I'll even let you have the blue one.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'll even push my weapon. Hey look, I look like I'm Iron Man.
Yeah.
No, you have to be like Iron Man style.
I killed you. How does that feel?
It's so good.
Tell me the feeling. Express it in interpretive dance.
You know what? I'm a rebel. Such a rebel that I'm not even going to use this kind of weapon.
I think you.
Oh, I didn't even see. I was like,
I'm so mad. I can just do this. I can hear our men scream.
nobody cares.
Should I just turn into a? Nope. What is this, a porno?
You're Did you look at your character? Oh my god!
Look at those glitching.
Oh, hold on, I have to do something. Sorry.
Nope.
I'm sorry, that's just hilarious. Oh god, I'm sorry. Okay, okay, ready?
What?
Come on, come on.
I don't know. Where am I?
Click disappear. No, you can't.
I'm Batman. Oh crap!
Wait, stop.
Oh
No, fucking.
dang it. We both died.
Oh, because you're stupid.
Suicide.
Oh,
Taking out the thruster myself.
I know where it is.
I know, but my freaking camouflage pack is gone.
You know. My jetpack.
Oh, my energy sword's still here.
My jetpack is gone.
Wait. Formation build.
That's when you can see everything in your pack.
Oh, okay. Wake up, girls. No. I hope not. No, it's Gregory Mackay. Where are you?
Where am I indeed?
Oh god.
What the heck?
Oh, snap.
Look at the distance.
Where are you? Where are you right now? Hold on, I have to see your corpse.
Uh-huh.
Corpse down here. Thrusters! No, wait, I don't have thrusters anymore. Dang it! Aw, man, those epic kill cams with Rabbit.
But I killed you by jumping like a boss.
Like a beast. The funny Rabbit is nothing but use. Play into the game because you're only one.
I can hear Rage away!
Dude, that was luck. That was luck. Look, I almost died. You shot me one time with a magnum condom and I would have been dead.
It's a magnum condom.
It's a magnum. That's what it says. That's what the weapon says.
Yeah, sure. Derping.
With Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Hey. Oh, snap.
Hold up. Did you boost me while we did that?
Yeah, hold on, wait. Hey. You always look at his body. Jump. Boom. Oh snap. Where's your body?
I have no idea.
Here it is.
You sound like your average anime girl.
Oh god.
What the heck? I hit first.
This is hilarious. Hey, guess what I'm gonna do to your body? No! Oh, snap!
Look what I have.
Oh, shit. Yeah, hello, I'm really good at Halo.
I was beating you last time, remember?
No, you weren't. You were dying last time.
Me, been fun.
You were just
spellmaning you.
Yeah, oh, been fun spellman. Duh.
Shit.
Hey baby, tonight I'm fine, no one's gonna die, young and Chef
Oh,
Rider.
I remember the like, sup punks, little dorks.
Welcome to the survey course.
Grab a cake and buckle up.
No, it's something. Grab a cake and buckle. Grab a cake and buckle up.
Yeah. Oh, so now we can turn it up?
No. Okay, wait. Stay right. Wait, where are you? Wait, let's go on top of this. Dang it. Where did you go? Ah, you killed me. You actually killed me.
I can hear our scream.
Nobody cares.
Please don't kill us, please.
Really don't wanna die. And if you do not kill us, we'll make you like us.
Oh,
Oh yeah. I want my Wait, don't kill me! Dude, I let you get your weapon before I killed you.
ugh, survival of the fittest.
you know what? I'm gonna show you. Oh, wait, first I got to put that. Let me freaking pick up some weapons. No, let me pick up some weapons, okay?
Boing, Dad.
Okay, now where's the other? God dang it, it's gone.
Looks like you're gonna have to find your body.
I found my body, but my stuff is missing.
Welcome.
God dang it, it's really hard to get the camouflage back. I mean, come on. Oh, crap. Welcome to the survey course. No, it's, oh, it's just your psychotic thing. Wait, stand very still.
Why? See, that's why I don't trust you. That's why I suicided.
Yeah, you didn't do that on purpose. Just go on, keep going. Alright, let me switch out my gravity hammer to 100%. Yep. You know what? I feel very accompanied.
Suicide.
Suicide.
What the heck?
I know,
the
I
sound
heard
you
that,
made?
I heard that. Oh, dude, I'm gonna land on top of the tower.
Can't do that. You're not Batman. No, you're not. You're the Kardashian.
There we go. Hey, don't cheat.
Look who's talking.
Oh man, that was a quick getaway. I better get out of here.
On thing that hardly works.
Oh god, yeah! Dang it. My hammer days are over. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. You know, just something real quick.
Because we're bored right now, so yeah.
Okay, let's see. This is going to be on both of our channels, so if you want to see both of our perspectives, which, go check out his channel, subscribe to him. And also, if you haven't subscribed to me as well, like our videos. I just cut myself on the mic. Anyway, wait, before we go... Oh, wait, you killed me? Okay, wait, before we leave, we have to have a one-on-one match with just hammers.
Fine.
Alright, so get a hammer. And get ready to kill. Yeah, pretty much. Alright, ready? Okay, 100%, 100%. Now we're perfectly even.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.